Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be learning about how to make a peace lily flower profusely. So the magic of making peace lilies flower is less water. I understand it's a little drastic, but I have seen the peace lily profusely flowering if you do not water it much. But at the same time, you should not deprive it of water completely because it is not a succulent, it is a normal plant, and it will show you when it completely does not have water at all. The leaves will droop, and that's the best sign of whether the peace lily is deprived of water. So you can water them whenever that happens. So it is a tough plant, and do not keep it under full sun because the leaves will burn. The best ideal location is an east facing window or a patio. That's the best location, and too much of sunlight is also not good for it, and too little also will only encourage the growth of leaves. It can still be grown inside, but there will be more leaves, and we love our peace lily only for its flowers, right? So as you can see, I have not watered this too much, maybe 2 days in a week. So this is the result. So there's a small flower bud that is coming, and then there is an established one right here. So the other plant also, you can see that from far you can see that there are no flowers at all, but then if you go dig deep, you see this is actually a flower that's sprouting out, and there is one more. So that is the magic formula to make your peace lilies flower. Do try this at home and let me know if this works. Thank you.